Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw, we have multiple snow throughout the week, and so far things are drying out actually faster than I expected. And as you can see, it's quite still slippery because bottom all the snow there is the ice that was left over the previous week. So let's see, we can tell there's a bunch of water under this ice. Oh, this ice is thick. Yo, this is crazy. It is super thick, as you can see. Ain't no way this is gonna, I don't think this is gonna melt anytime soon unless we have really high sun. Let's see. Okay, as you guys can see, it's quite thick. It's about, whoa, see that? So it will still take a while. I will update with y'all. If all the fish die, that would break my heart, but we are remodeling this, as I mentioned multiple times in a video. We are remodeling this fish pond. We're going to make it look a lot more nicer, actually. Something that we can hang out around the area, and hopefully all the plants don't die. And here is our little birds. So the past few weeks throughout the day, I have to come in here, replace their water because everything was frozen. And so move, can you move? Thank you. We need to build a second door, which I haven't done it, so they keep on trying to fly away. But this place is temporary for now. We're actually going to build them a better house as well that will integrate with the fish pond. And let's look at the water. It's quite, well, there's some ice, so we'll move that so they can actually drink water within. There's more ice here. This is where I throw all the ice all the time, and as you can see, more ice there. This their water, the whole thing is full of ice. There's more ice. Gosh. All right, so we're gonna put this ice here, so by the time closer to summer, we'll have more water for them to swim in here. So, but all the birds look absolutely healthy. Everyone adapt to the cold weather super well. But we will be getting more birds. We just want to build them a really nice house before we do that. Let me make sure there's none in here. All right, you guys, this is the updates, but we will definitely update more when the weather gets warmer, and we'll check out whether all the fish are still alive. I am 100% sure they will be. So, but I can't say 100% sure when I'm not fully sure, right? So 99% sure. That 1%, if they die, I will update that with you guys. All right, thanks for checking out the channel. All right, bye.